Lisa from TLC Truck and Equipment, and today we are at Touch a Truck event in Coconut Creek, where we are sponsoring all the kids to be able to get onto the trucks, touch the trucks, and give away little toy tow trucks and, you know, have a little fun for the kids and, you know, give to the community.
The kids are able to actually approach the trucks, sit inside, take photos. They can play with all the little knobs and switches and controls and everything, and they just have a great time. Sometimes as adults, we kind of forget that childlike excitement and sense of adventure when we see some of these trucks. We kind of forget how cool they are. So it's really great to be able to see that in the faces of all these children as they get in these trucks. And we got all kinds of trucks here today. We have tow trucks, waste trucks, police trucks, fire trucks. We have excavators. We have all kinds of stuff. We even have food trucks. And most of the food truck drivers actually already know my name, so.
We're not here to sell trucks, we're just here to basically give to the community and, you know, let the kids be able to interact with the trucks and, you know, just do something good for the community.
Who knows if some of these kids might grow up one day to be a future tow truck driver. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I had a great time today here at the Touch a Truck event in Coconut Creek. If you're interested in learning more about one of our trucks, please contact one of our representatives. We'll be happy to help you. My name is Steve from TLC Truck in Pompano Beach, Florida, where nobody builds them better.